Okay, I already used this to print regular paper, thermal paper, just a sheet I needed printed. And now I'm going to use this to print the tattoo stencil. Very excited. It's really easy to use. I just downloaded the app. There's 2 separate apps, one for each. And this, you just charge this. You can have it plugged in if you need. If not, really easy to use and lightweight. Very cool. And you don't need ink or anything. So let's check this out. The first thing you're going to do is very clear instructions on the paper that it comes with. Let me show you. You're going to do is tear off this paper. So we have the protected paper, which is the middle white paper. We're going to tear it off. Okay, that is done. The next thing we're going to do is tear off that yellow paper very carefully. And we want to make sure this stays on. This piece here stays on. Okay. There's a dotted line, so no need to worry about how to cut it. Okay, now we're just going to fix this up. All right, now that we have this done, the next step that we're going to do is we're going to feed it into the printer. All right, so here we are. I put the white paper facing up. Hold on, let me just stick this in. All right, and now we're going to, after we already downloaded the app, we're just going to pick a stencil to print. So I'm in the app right now. I am just going to just find anything. So I press material and I'm going to find any of them. I'm literally just going to do the first one as a test page. And okay, this, we're going to press sheet because I have a sheet, not a roll. And you can change all the settings you want. I'm going to press print and let's do this. All right, let's see how this works. It is currently printing away. And it's gonna take pretty fast, I believe, because it's already like almost halfway through. It's just printing on there. All right, this is pretty awesome. Okay, now we have our little beautiful. Now that this is done, it actually says test page on it. So keep that in mind. And then we have, check this out, the tattoo on here. So you're going to use this part when you're doing the tattoo onto the actual place and position. And you have this, look how nice the design came out. So very cool. This comes out pretty big, so just keep that in mind unless you want something smaller. And that's it. Super simple. All done.